So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the extended half double crochet. It's a stitch that obviously is a variation on the half double crochet, but it adds a little bit more texture and it ends up looking really cool whenever you're done, and it's super stretchy and it's really customizable. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for this one I'm going to be using an eye hook, and I'm going to be using my Furls Candy Shop hook. And then I'm going to be using some of the Wonder yarn, and it is an acrylic yarn. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make our knot. So the cool thing with the extended half double crochet is that it's not a specific stitch amount. You just need an extra stitch for your turn chain, but it's not like you have to have 3, 4. There's no essential stitch count, so it's just however many you want for your row. So since we're going to do just a test swatch, we're going to go ahead and do 10. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and yarn over. We're going to go ahead and pull up a loop through the next hole. So we're going to have 3 on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through that first one, yarn over, pull through all 3. We're going to go ahead and do that to the end of the row. Alright, and now that we're to the end of our row, it should look a little bit like this. And then from the right side, that's how it's going to look. So to go ahead and turn it to go ahead and do your next row, you're just going to go ahead and chain 1, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that first loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Let's go ahead and go over to the end of this one as well. So definitely thank you for watching my tutorial today. I hope this was super helpful for you. Be on the lookout. In June, I'm going to be having a pattern actually using this stitch. This is kind of your sample. And definitely if you have any other questions, or if you have any other stitches you would like me to look at doing, don't hesitate to leave me something in the comments. Happy crocheting!